Thank you for watching this DEAR Systems tutorial. In this video, we'll cover the functionality of printing product labels in DEAR WMS. Product labels can be directly printed from the DEAR WMS mobile app using the Print Labels feature, which can be accessed from the DEAR WMS menu. You can only print one product label at a time. To be able to print, you must connect a printer to your handheld device. You can also save the product label as a PDF file for later printing in case you don't have a printer at your current location. First, log into DEAR WPS and navigate to the Print Labels page from the menu. Enter the item number or scan the product's UPC code. Then click Search. If the search finds a product or several products that match the item number or UPC code, the product will be displayed below the Search button. Otherwise, an error message is displayed. Next, select the product and click Print Labels. If the product does not have a barcode, an error message is displayed. If the product has a barcode, you will be taken to the next page. Here, the number of copies to be printed is set to 1 by default. You may change this to your required number. Next, select the layout for printing and click the Print button to print the product label. This concludes the Print Labels functionality of WMS tutorial. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact support at dearsystems.com.